Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Mashalahd. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup look, but it's going to be a little different from what I do. It's going to be a proper glam look. So I start off with, of course, moisturizer. I normally don't do my forehead because it's gonna get covered up. I love the feeling with moisturizer gives you. It's so nice. Then I'm going to be using my illuminator because why not? All of the products I'm using are from Note. I just am obsessed with the brand. I use my foundation, BB cream sort of thing. I'm actually running out. I don't know why, so I use the products like this. I am always feeling super, when I wanna do my makeup, I will do it, and it's always a thing that is running in my mouth. Like when I will do my makeup, I will do it, like no doubt. I literally just woke up and I was like, I need to film a YouTube video for y'all because I just like to do things for you. So there's a thing. There's literally a thing in my mind that I don't have much subscribers, so I should quit. No, you should not quit. Even if you have no subscriber or you have less subscribers, quitting is not an option. What's gonna happen if you quit? You're gonna make your enemies happy. You're gonna make them happy. You're gonna not make yourself but them happy. I'm feeling all right. Not all right, but I'm feeling okay. I opened my Huda Beauty palette. We do not support genocide. We support good brands. So we take Charm. My hairs are all over the place. Look at them. They're literally standing up. Why I cut my hair short, it's a long story. I do not even know why I did take such a big step for myself. I don't know why I just took such a big step. It was like I need to do something different, so why not cut them like very short? Take blush. And then take your powder and powder. I need to add a little more blush because y'all Now it's looking much better. Now, you know what? I always thought that I would be someone who does, makeup tutorial things on YouTube, because that's like my thing. I am all in love with, I support things like body positivity. I always, have this thing when you are, oh my god, why the hell is my hair standing up? I always have, this thing that if you're positive and if you're grateful, things are gonna go your way. Do not do this. It's not good for your teeth. But anyways, if you are positive and grateful, things are everything is going to go your way, no matter how bad your situation is. Be positive. And be, yourself. For the lips, I just go in with this L'Oreal Paris. Oh my god, what am I doing? I do not even waste like a little bit of it. Make sure. The last and final step is a little powder, and then we're gonna do our highlight. I'm gonna take this highlighter and I'm gonna just put it on my nose. Done. I think I'm done with the look. I really like it. It's a look that you can wear out, you can wear with natural things, you can wear with a little fancy dress. It's really beautiful and nice. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, press the subscribe button, and just enjoy life, because there is so much great in life that is supposed to be enjoyed. So enjoy life and make sure you press the subscribe button and the notification button so you get notified anytime I post a new video. So bye. I really love you, and Allah Hafiz, Allah ki iman me.